Okay guys, so I'm going to take one of this bowl from Dollar Tree. I'm going to place it upside down just like that. And then I'm going to take this one as well. And I'm going to put some hot glue on the top all the way around. And make sure to use E6000 for better attachment. And then go ahead and place it on top to attach it into place. Then I'm going to put more hot glue on top. But make sure, once again, to use E6000 for better attachment. And then place another bowl on top of the other one like that. Once you do that part, then go ahead and take a little tray because I don't want to dirty my table. And I'm going to use this caulk, and they have this from Dollar Tree. I'm going to press it down like that because I want to open the bottom part. You don't have to do that. You could do it from the other side, but I prefer this way to be better. Then I put a bag. Just make sure you grab a gloves, and then I'm just going to take it out and spread it out to the bowl like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out on the bowl on top, and I'm also going to do it in the middle, and I'm also going to do it in the bottom. Then after I spread it all the way around it, I'm going to take my bag and tap it like that. So just continue tapping it like that so you can see that it will give you like that little look like that, like the way I'm doing it. So just continue doing that side until you do the whole thing. Then go ahead and turn it around and then just spread it around all the way around. And then do the same thing and tap it. Then I took these glass and I'm going to put some hot glue, but make sure to put some rocks or in the bottom so it could be a little bit heavier. Then put another base on top, and then you're going to do the same process that you did on the top at the bottom. Then go ahead and spray paint it in white just to cover the whole thing. Then I'm going to take one of these little candle, place it in the middle, and then I'm going to take this smelly decorative that they have in Dollar Tree as well, and then just go ahead and place it like that around the candle until you do the whole thing all the way around it. Then once you do all the way around it, I found this little branch, and I'm just gonna place it in the middle like that. And then to the other one, you could just place a candle, and instead of putting the other things, you could just do some greenery. Like I'm giving you two different idea that you guys can do. So then just go ahead and place the greenery all the way around like that. So just go ahead and fill it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out super cute, and it's so easy and inexpensive to do. Here I'm showing you how to do it with both the same color and sign, which I think it looks great. But you also can do it with the greenery like this one. So you could do one and one, or you could do both the same one. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do it at home, which it will be super easy and cute. And I also think this one will look also great in black color. So if you have like a black decor, I think this one will look great as well in black. Now let me show you a sneak peek of next video DIY. So I'm gonna create this one. Everything here is from Dollar Tree as well. So I think this will look great for your home decoration. So make sure to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I can't wait to share this DIY with you guys. Thanks again for watching.